With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let's start the question. So the question says that free radicals are formed through oxidation, reduction, hydrolysis, synthesis. So we will start from option number 4. So option number 4 is synthesis. So synthesis is the process of formation of biomolecules. Okay. Now option number 3 is hydrolysis. So hydrolysis is breaking of molecules in the presence of water. Okay. Now option number 2 is reduction. So reduction is the acceptance of electron and protons or release of oxygen. Okay. And oxidation is the release of electrons and protons or reaction with the oxygen. So free radicals are released in the oxidation. Okay. So the right answer of our question will be option number 1. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.